Hi guys, this is Tracy. Today I'm going to show you a few different things that you can do with this week's free Loud and Proud Band Parent SVG. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to resize this a little bit and I'm going to make a copy of it. Okay, so what I want to show you first, if you ungroup this, you can change the color of the word band. So this could be like maybe the school color. And then when you would go to cut this black part right here would all cut together. And then this would cut together. So you could just place it on top and then that would be your design. But another thing you can do, if you come over and click on this, if you click on, we need to ungroup this first. Click on the contour button. Wrong word. Let's click on this one, contour. You can come through and you can remove this part right here. Just keep clicking on it till it's gone. What's nice about doing it this way, if you leave the design on the side, you can see as you're contouring what is disappearing. Whereas versus down here, if I was doing this one, I wouldn't be able to see what I was doing. So it's nice to be able to see because you can see that it can kind of be tricky when you're doing it this way. Okay, and then click off of this and now your music note is gone. So then I would come through and I would grab this one again. So make a copy. I'm just holding down my Alt button and I drag this over to make another copy. So now I'm going to click on this. I'm going to do contour and I want to do hide all contours, but I'm going to bring the music note back. So I had to get it over close or far enough so I can see what I'm doing here. So I'm just kind of guessing. Get rid of that. Let's see if I got it all here. Okay. So now we can click on this and we could make this another color. Say we wanted to make it this one. And we could just come up here and place it right in here. And now you can do both of your school colors. So that's another way that you can use this week's free SVG, using it like this. Then you would cut this out. This would be all black. This would be blue. This would be orange. All right, so one other thing I want to show you. Let's say we want to make a sticker. Let's grab all this and group it together. And then come up here and hit your offset. Okay, and depending on, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. Let's move this over here so I can see a little bit better again. So this right here looks good to me. If you make it too small, you're going to have too many openings in here, for my opinion. This is just however you like it. Usually about 0.25 works good for me. Okay, and then we click apply. Okay, and then I'm going to come up here, I'm going to change this to white, and then I'm going to come down to my contour again, and I'm going to do hide all contours. Then that fills in all those little spots in there. So in case you didn't see it, all these little spots, you don't want those. So you come back over here, make sure that back layer is clicked, click contour, hide all contours, and then that's gone. So if you wanted to make this a sticker now, you would just grab both of these and then you would come down and click your flatten button. If you don't click flatten, all the little individual pieces are going to cut out. So if you want this to be a print and cut, you're going to click flatten. And now all that's going to cut as one. Now, obviously, you're going to have to resize this. Like if you wanted a 3-inch sticker or, you know, whatever. But this is going to be what you would use for your print and cut. You could make several of these, you know, put it on one piece of paper. But I thought this would be cute, like to use maybe on a music folder or, you know, whatever you wanted to use it for. You could add your child's name, or you could do the graduating year. Like that would be really cute for that. But that's just a couple different ways that you can use this week's freebie. You can find this design in the freebie library. It is design 168, along with the names of the font that I used and where you can find it. That's it for this week's project, guys. I hope you like it. If you make it, be sure to come on over to the Facebook group and show it off, because you know I love seeing what you guys make. Have a great day, guys. I appreciate you. Thanks for being here.